Hey, it's Emme with Allstars United, and I'm here with
Mel Garcia.
Hi, Mel. So can you tell me about your beautiful car here? I love the color.
I've been working on this for the last 30 years. It's about the second time I redone it. It's kind of been around the family, so got it from the original owner, and kind of since then I've taken a lot of pride in it. Redid it all candy brandy wine over a black base and silver fenders.
I like that. I like the rims.
Appreciate that. Yeah, I got them. Their looks are Crossley 72. Did a Fulton visor on it, Series 1000. Did the murals artwork just to make it up a little change.
Now, is that what inspired the mural?
Mainly was just kind of had a friend of mine, Manuel Alvarez, did all the drawings, and I asked him I like the female chola look, and kind of just gave it the culture and put some roses and stuff in it.
Nice. Now, what can you tell us about the back end?
Like I said, it's all original.
Oh, I thought he was a real kid in there.
Yeah, that's my little son right there.
Oh.
We kind of dressed him up for the show, but pretty much everything's original. I just did the stainless visors.
It's nice on it.
Yep, I had some friends of mine helping with the interior. We did all the wood grain work in it. One of my club members, Mel Garcia.
Now, I'm sorry, did you say what car club you were from?
I'm from Freedom Image Car Club. Okay. I'm the president.
Nice, the president. So you're a busy guy. And I just heard your name up there, so you won?
I know, I better get over there, right?
Did you win an award?
I think I did. I won first place for custom bomb.
Awesome, great. Well, thanks for letting me talk with you and check out your ride.
Thank you.